look at this. Why the fuck, right? Is there a cup of tea in the fridge? Came to get some cheese out and I found this cup. I almost spilt it over. I was like, what the fuck? Why? Tea's supposed to be hot. Why would you put it in the fridge? In case it goes off. What are you saving it for? If it's gone cold, I don't know, pour it out, make a new one. It's just water. What the fuck is going on?
I made a cup of tea and then I forgot about it and it went cold. And then I was like, well, it's too late for tea now. So I'll save it for tomorrow. And I'll microwave it tomorrow and I'll have one instant tea ready to go.
It's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.